Hello everyone, it's Amy, and I am back with an update video for week 65 and 66 of Build Your Stash and Craft. At the end of week 65, I gave you the products that we would need for week 66, and I told you that we would need, two of the lightweight spackle, and we actually only need one, which works out really well because I forgot to tell you that we also need to have some mica powder. So if you don't have any left, or you just have a little bit left, pick up one of the mica powders from the Dollar Tree. I like the silver or the white with the colors, but gold would work just as fine. You just want something that's going to go with all colors instead of like picking like a pink that might not go with green or something like that. So a gold or a white or a silver will work just fine. So we'll replace our lightweight spackle with a mica powder eyeshadow from the Dollar Tree. So our bank will stay the same. And then I just wanted to show you what the flowers did turn out like. I did kind of finish them up, and this is the one with the stamen. You still can't see it. And I didn't show you putting in the pearls. And this one has the stamen from our Max Pack spackle from earlier in the year, the one that's more of a plaster type. So we got the stamen there. And then I like the way this one turned out. I think it looks very Hawaiian. But the one thing that I did forget to show you was about the pearls. You can make your pearls any color. That's why I got the cream ones. But as long as you have a permanent marker or alcohol ink, because that is also a permanent product. So anything that is alcohol based and not water based, our dyes won't work on here, but our alcohol inks will. And our sprays will not work because our dyes and our sprays are both water based. But you just color them like that, and then you have whatever color center that you want, so long as you have a permanent marker of that color. So there we go, and now that one is purple. And then I did also want to show you that whenever you buy them like this, and see they're hooked together, the glue on the bottom goes all the way across, and then the pearls are on top of that. So when you cut them apart, you've got a little piece left between them. And all I do with that, because it's sticky on both sides, when I take it off and there was a piece sticking out, I just folded it under, just like that. And that way you don't have that piece sticking out like that. So that would be like here, where they're all hooked together. Just go ahead. Oops, now it's going to stick to my scissors, because that stuff is really quite sticky. And if you find that they're not sticking well enough, you can always glue them on also. But it's kind of hard to see. But there is a little piece left right there, and all you do is just take it and push it down and fold it under. And then, well, if you actually do fold it under, then it won't show anymore. And you'll just have your pearl, and you won't have that little sticky piece sticking out. And also things will stick to it because it is sticky on both sides. So just fold it under. You can snip it off. Either way, I just find it easier to fold it under. And it just puts a little extra sticky underneath. So that's what we're going to need to do, is we're going to need to make the trade for next week for the mica powders. Instead of 2 of the texture paste, we just need 1. And I wanted to just show you how our flowers turned out. So thank you very much for stopping by to check on the update. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.